looked at your back? I mean, seriously, took a picture of your back and looked at it to see all the muscles that your back consists of. If you haven't done that, I encourage you to do that right now. Pause the video, take a picture of your back and look at it. Now, when you come back, this is what I want to show you. This is what your back muscles look like. Now, obviously your muscles aren't defined like this or developed like this, which is why you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to help you get your back to look like this. Now, this right here is my back. This is my back when I'm super shredded, and this is my back today. Yes, I know you want your back to look like that. You do not have to lie to me. You want your back to look like this. You want that wide back, you want the muscle development, and you want that definition. I know it. So in this video, I'm going to run you through 4 of my top back exercises that you can do any and everywhere as long as you have the proper equipment. So any particular gym that you go to, you will be able to do these 4 exercises, and I guarantee that. If you pay attention to everything I say in this video and you actually make it to the end, I guarantee you, you will build a bigger back. Stop procrastinating and put the work in. All day, every day, you just sit back and make excuses. But I want that to stop today. So I'm glad you clicked on this video. And without further ado, let's get right into the first exercise. All right, you guys, first up, we have the seated cable row. This exercise right here is excellent for developing those lat muscles due to its ability to target muscle aspects of the back while providing consistent tension throughout the movement. Now, when you do your seated cable row, once you grip the handle and you start to pull towards your torso, your lats are activated to initiate that movement. And by keeping the elbows close to your body and only pulling with the elbows rather than your hands, you maximize that lat involvement. Now, unlike free weight exercises like the pull-up or the barbell rows, the cable machine provides that constant tension on the muscles throughout the entire range of motion. So that's why I love using the cables. And to ensure that the lats are under load at both the start and the end, that's going to help us stimulate that growth. You can have many grip positions. Here, I'm using the V-bar, which is giving me more of that narrow grip. No matter what, the lats are targeted, but if we change up the grips, change up the handles, we will target different portions of the lats and the surrounding muscles. I'm all about the V-bar. As you notice, I'm pulling it right there where my belly button is, really getting that squeeze in the back. Now, the seated position and the ability to adjust the weight on the cable machine allows for us to get that full range of motion, which is crucial. I said it again, crucial for muscle growth. You got to get that full ROM. Now, when we pull the handle all the way back, it's going to allow that maximum contraction. Like I said, I love the squeeze and focus on the squeezing of the lats. That's the contraction that we want. And then when we are stretching forward, we are lengthening the muscles. All right. So you lengthen the muscles and then you squeeze the muscles. This right here, guys, is stimulating that hypertrophy. All right, you guys, so really quick, I had to throw this in there because I'm loving the elliptical, guys. I got this new elliptical. This right here is the Merach E27 Elliptical machine. I'm in love with it, guys. The elliptical machine is going to be a very great machine to use for your cardio. It has low impact on the knees. It'll keep you going. A lot of times when you have your high impact activities like running, look, the elliptical provides a smooth gliding motion that reduces that stress on those joints, making it ideal for just about any and everybody, especially if you have any joint pain, any injuries, or if you're just looking for a safer alternative. The elliptical works both for the upper body and the lower body because it engages the legs, the glutes, the arms, the core, which can help improve the overall muscle endurance while burning those calories, right? That's what we're all about, burning those calories. Now, this right here, just to talk about the machine just a little bit, guys, this is going to be a very great machine for anybody because 400 pounds weight capacity. So just about any and everybody can get on there. If you are over 400 pounds, obviously we need to talk about it and get you on the best X Factor fitness program possible. But needless to say, 400 pound capacity. Guys, the assembly was pretty legit. It was not hard at all. It has a water bottle holder on there. It also has the nice screen holder where you can put your iPad, you can put your phone, you can put any small device, and it's going to help you to continue to do that cardio for a longer duration simply because you have something to watch, right? Something to distract you and get you less focused on the actual exercise in itself and more focused on, your TV shows or whatever. Throw your Netflix on. This Merach machine, just like all the Merach machines, comes with an app. And so when you open up that app, you can track your workouts and you can actually operate the elliptical through the app. Now, what I will say is that no matter what, you need to make sure you are being safe. Make sure you stretch before you use the machine. Make sure you hydrate while you're using the machine, because no matter what, injury can happen with any exercise, any machine that you use. But again, I love the elliptical because it's just safer. You know, it's safer, and I love to be safe. Another thing to touch on about the elliptical is that this is the latest self-powered system, and it provides stable and sufficient power during your workouts, and can be used anywhere in the garden, garage, balcony. You can put this anywhere. It's nice and quiet. So I could put this in the house and I can watch TV, or the family can watch TV, and no one would pretty much know that I'm doing the exercises, other than the fact that I might be breathing pretty hard. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, it's super legit. Like I said, the noise is pretty minimal. And guys, this is smooth. Just smooth selling, just chilling out. A quiet operation. Again, the assembly doesn't take long. Depending on your engineering skills, it could take you maybe on the 45 minutes to an hour range, but I was able to put it up in about 30 minutes, and hey, now I'm riding. So like, again, I love the elliptical, and I do encourage anyone to get this type of machine inside of your home gym, simply because, guys, it's easy. Another thing just to touch on really quick, the elliptical offers the cardiovascular workout, enhancing that heart health and increasing that stamina. And it's going to help you with weight loss overall. So if that's what you're looking for, some strength building in your legs, strength building in your core, strength building in your arms, and getting that weight off, guys, the elliptical is the way to go. Specifically, the Merach E27 elliptical machine. I have a link for you guys down below where you can tap in and try to get you one of these machines, but I do highly recommend it. All right, you guys, so moving on to my second favorite exercise for the lats is going to be the lat pull down. This right here, guys, again, highly effective at helping you develop those lats. And that's going to be due to the ability to target the muscles through that controlled, consistent movement. So you have that lat activation when you begin to pull and get into your contraction. Now, what you want to do is make sure you are pulling the bar towards your chest. Your lats contract to bring your upper arms down and in, providing that direct stimulus for growth in the lats. Now, just like all the other exercises, we can switch up the grips. Right here, I'm taking more of a wider grip because I'm going for that width. The wide grip emphasizes the upper lats and outer lats, contributing to a broader back, while a narrow or underhand grip will work towards the lower lats for improved depth and thickness. All right, so again, wide grip for the upper and outer lats, and then you have that narrow grip or even the underhand grip, which is for the lower lats. Constant tension, again, cable machine, constant tension. This machine is going to provide constant resistance throughout the entire movement from start to finish, and your lats are going to remain engaged. That's why I love the cable machines. Now, again, range of motion is everything, guys. So I'm going to encourage you again, focus on your ROM, focus on using that full stretch at the top and then contracting the lats. That's going to be crucial again, guys, for maximizing that hypertrophy. Come on now, if you didn't think I was going to put pull-ups in here, you were wrong. Guys, pull-ups is going to be ideal, okay? Because you can do this with body weight. Now, I do have a lot of back development. I am getting stronger by the day. I'm eating in a surplus, so I love to do weighted pull-ups specifically. But the pull-ups in general, guys, is going to be a great compound body weight exercise first. You can throw some weight on there, but it's a body exercise first, and it's going to recruit not just the lats, but also your biceps, your traps, and your outer back muscles. And it's going to lead to that balanced development. Now, I'm going with a wide grip here, and the wide grip, again, for the outer and upper portions of the lats, contributing to that broad back. We want to be wide. Now, one of the key benefits is the full range of motion, making sure that you are going all the way down and making sure you are going as high as possible, trying to get your eyes over the bar. Now, from that deep stretch at the bottom to that strong contraction at the top, that's where we are chasing. This stretching and contracting action stimulates the muscle fibers, promoting again that hypertrophy. Pull-ups also help to build functional strength and improve that overall back development. So, hey, make sure you're throwing you some pull-ups inside of your routine. And last but not least, guys, we have the lat prayer or the lat pulls, however you want to say it. Now, you can do this with the rope or you can do it with a straight bar. Here, I'm choosing to do it with a rope. Now, what I'm trying to do is, again, focus on that ROM. Now, I'm in my home gym and it's not allowing me to go full with that ROM. I'm not able to get my arms above my head, but I do encourage that you try to get your arms lengthened as best as possible and really bring that rope or that bar to your lower abdomen. As you see, I'm hitting my upper thigh here, and that right there is going to make sure that you are engaging the lat muscles. But again, you want to turn on those lat muscles and get them activated mentally, so make sure you focus on that mind muscle connection, because it starts at the top of the movement. That's when your lats are going to be turned on. Now, focus on keeping that lean, focus on not rising too high, but you can rise your chest just a bit when you're trying to get that full contraction. This right here, guys, again, another great exercise for developing those lat muscles. I'm highly encouraging you guys to try to focus on these 4 exercises specifically if you truly want to build up those lat muscles coming from the upper, the outer lats, and the lower lats. If you really want to get that development, you guys need to focus on these 4 exercises that I'm bringing you here. Now, these 4 exercises specifically are the ones that I've been doing for quite a while, and they have allowed me to bring up my back, help me get that nice lat, help me to flare out, and help me to get that broad look, because that's what we're all chasing, right? I'm in the air, you still walking, let's go, I can take you away. What you're going to see here, guys, I'm about to transition over into a good, nice physique update, guys. I love watching, recording my videos and looking at my back, or just looking at my body in general to see if the muscles have turned on, see how the muscle is developed. Again, I encourage any and everybody to try to do some type of progression method, whether it's take pictures or it's recording videos, but you want to make sure that you are doing that so you are able to see if things are working in your favor. So as you see right here, things are looking pretty good for me. This is still in my bulking phase, guys, so I'm feeling good. I'm getting stronger by the day. I'm currently right now 210 pounds, and we're just going to keep climbing from there. So I appreciate you guys so much for even clicking on this video. Very good. Kudos to you for making it to the end of the video. I need you to check out this video right here. This video is going to change your life. It's going to change your gym experience, and it's going to change your physique. So click this video right here, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next one.